Recording. Okay, so today we'll focus on Google image search, page search, as well. There are some of the additional filters in Google, which we might or might not be aware of, and some of the Google settings, which are basically can be useful in a sourcing and recruiting career. So before we move to further on a Google image or face search, do any one of us has any question till the sessions we had yesterday? Maybe, yeah,
Hi Shiv.
yeah.
Shiv, this is Piyush, and I have some of the questions.
Sure.
So can I just share with you in the chat the kind of strings I have been working on?
You can just ask, no worries.
All right. See, this thing for these strings, which I have been preparing for software Java developers, who has been working in core Java, Spring Security, Spring Gateways. So I'm not able to find the relevance, the resume or relevance is less, or my string is not proper, or the things are not working as per my expectations. Or so can I just share a string in the chat and then you can check?
Sure, no worries. But otherwise, you can just see a table of content on my screen. So I think we started with the introduction, then we went for basic keyword search, Google direct answers, basic Boolean operator about and or not, colon, and brackets. Then slowly we went to creating a Boolean strings with the combination of keywords and Boolean operators. Then also we did explore, people also search for in Google search. And then we did explore what is a operator related colon do. Then we also went to in URL, in title, in text. Then various examples we took while we forming X-ray searches using in URL versus site. Then, okay, Google search filter has not been covered yet. We'll cover it, understanding some operators that we'll cover in our later session. But otherwise, I believe till here, everyone is clear, at least about how the operators works, functions, or are there still any doubt left around something, at least in an operator point of view?
Yes, sure.
So
we're good.
Yes, sure, I do have one doubt.
Great. So yeah, moving on to the next about the image search, face search as well. Piyush, you can definitely share your string over here.
Right. Just give me a moment, please. Let me share that because I'm not satisfied with the results. Just a moment, please. So this is basically not a very big thing what I have been doing. This is just, I just need to know whether I'm doing right or like how it is.
Which one? We just print right. In URL,
Yeah,
CV
this is very
about me. And then, okay, let me just write a string here in the WordPad and let other also view.
These are the strings. So these are two of my strings are there in which the results are not that good what I have been assuming for.
This is the one.
You replace Hyderabad with Indore.
Sure. This is the second.
There is another guy is here who is asking for this Flutter developer.
This is
This time.
Shiv, actually, is there any particular structure we need to follow while writing these strings?
Yeah,
we can start with site. Yeah.
Let's figure it out. So first one is in URL, CV, resume, about me, Indore, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JS, Angular, React. Second one is in URL. Yes, here is a mistake. GitHub in title resume CV, Flutter developer, Flutter engineer, React. And then third one is site github.com in title resume CV, software engineer, software developer, or Java. Great. Okay, all right. So here are the three strings, what we see here. I think Piyush, you have created it, right? Yeah. Okay. So here, as I suggested yesterday, maybe you can start with one by one. First, you can take a use of in URL, keep only CV. Second term in URL, resume. Third term, go one by one approach. This I sometimes go as a capital that we might be aware of, as operators and or not are case sensitive. Similarly, in URL, in title, in site are also case sensitive and has to be written in a small caps. Eyes you can keep small. So yeah, instead of using all CV, resume, or about me, just use it one by one. First thing,
Right.
and now you go with Indore or Hyderabad. Which location?
Indore.
Indore, right? Indore, then HTML, CSS, JS, JavaScript.
Do we need to cover the JS as well with the commas?
You can do that, no need. So as I mentioned, this is a Word format supported inverted colons. It would be better if you can just use it in a notepad. Okay, because when we run a search on Google, if you see that inverted commas, those will be different. I'll just show you in a couple of more minutes. JavaScript or Java hyphen script, Java, JavaScript, Java hyphen script. What are the other variations that people might write? JavaScript. That's fine. This much we'll go with.
All together, JavaScript all together, like no space in between.
Excellent. So that's one way.
So why HTML CSS is without the brackets?
Why HTML CSS are without the brackets, right? See, now Indore also is without the bracket. This we are taking just as a keyword. Indore space HTML space CSS space. That space is nothing but and. So we wanted a format of a results in which in URL we need a CV, and also Indore HTML CSS is keyword, which is in combination with and, which is kind of a must to have keyword. Now JS JavaScript can be written in a 10 different ways. Some people write JS, some people write Java space script, some people write Java hyphen script, some people write Java continuation script, some people write Java dot script. So that's reason the variations in the or JS or JavaScript or Java hyphen script or JavaScript in continuation or Java dot script. Those are only the variations, the way people might write it. So we need to think in point of candidate point of view, how they might be writing it. Yeah, Piyush, you had some question.
Yes. Ashiv, so while writing this Indore space HTML space CSS, that means Indore and HTML and CSS is must, right?
Yes. In URL CV
All right.
and Indore and HTML and CSS and JS or Java space script or Java hyphen script or JavaScript in continuation or Java dot script. This is how it reads.
Right.
Now comes to Angela.
Right.
Yesterday we did did the research that Angular star, instead of giving Angular star, it would be always better if we can give all the variations, unless we do not over limit that 32 keywords. So for same, instead of using Angular star, I'll just go with.
Yesterday we are getting very few results using Angular star.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we go with Angular star. Now,
Can't we write only Angular? Because ultimately Angular 4, Angular 3, Angular 4, it will take all the words if we write only Angular without star.
absolutely. Just Angular also would be enough. So .js, -js, space js, and let's say one more continuation js. And also I seen some of the people writing like this as well. Similarly goes with React. Just keep React first.
Shiv, is that so that we have to bucket all the technologies in a very proper manner or something like that? Unless and until the bucketing of these technology stack is not proper, we may not be able to get the resumes of our interest. Is that so?
When you're putting only Angular star or React star or only going with a limited keyword, so we will definitely end up in finding limited resumes only. So if you want to find more number of resumes, then we want to increase as many variations as possible that candidate might write, that we might not be aware of.
Right.
We need to think in candidate point of view, how the across the internet candidate might write this particular skills. So candidate might write just React, might write React space JS, React -js, or React.js.
So, Shiv, there is a typing error. It's the spelling is RAECT. You have written RAECT in React.js.
Maybe a typo speed.
Shiv, can we just copy paste this into text?
Into chat here?
No, I'm saying when we want to put it in the whatever Google, the same search string, can we just copy paste it into text? So all that inverted comma becomes as we need.
Yeah, we'll change it. So we're just writing down first here because I don't have a notepad here, or it might be there, but I'm yet to find it out. Text. No, this is something else. How is this inverted? Okay. So I think.
My question is, you write it in Word and then just copy paste it.
I got it. So let's say Control C. So I think this is a text box here. So I'm just learning on this Mac. So maybe a beginner, you can say me. No, it's not getting converted. We'll change in Google itself, Chrome itself. So React space JS, React -js, React.js, or React JavaScript. So let's
React continuous JS.
React continuous. Super.
If
Hmm.
if we want to add the experience as well, is it necessary to add before in URL, or we can add it in any?
We can add anywhere.
Anywhere.
Anywhere we can add.
Okay.
So yeah. Let's correct this once we. So if you see this uh, inverted commas, double quotes, a format what Google accepts and the format what we are writing in a word is slightly different. So sometimes the results might vary because of that. So even on LinkedIn also, be cautious about it. So once we'll copy, then after that same format will be.
Shiv, React JS continuous one. You forgot to write J.
React. Yes, thank you.
So should we need to change all the inverted commas while we are writing a query in Google?
Wherever we see space or some special character like hyphen or a dot, but let's exclude for a hyphen or a dot for now. Like if you see here for hyphen, we did mention, but wherein space, if we need like sales space manager, Angular space JS or Java space script, that is where it is mandatory. If we need those two terms as it is, then that's where those double colons are mandatory. But otherwise, if there are no special, if there are, but otherwise, maybe in case of special characters, or may not be, that's completely fine, but it is mandatory for the terms which has a two keywords, and if we want those particular term to be appearing as it is, like Java space script.
Minus jobs.
Yeah, we'll do that. So we got a couple of individual profiles and a couple of from Naukri, couple of from Monster, couple of from LinkedIn Jobs, couple of from GitHub. What is this CVJ Jobs? Glassdoor? I never seen this. What is it? Is it job? Maybe a job post. Yeah. SharePoint. Freelancers. Doppler. Photographer. Freelancers. CV format. Right. Now I come to an end. Minus job. Who was that? Who mentioned minus jobs? Minus jobs. Thank you. Let's go for minus job or minus jobs. Maybe minus careers. Okay, so we have closed ones based out of Indore. So these results, they may not be necessary based out of Indore. They would have worked earlier in Indore, but currently they might be working in some other location. But Indore, they would have done their education, or they are currently working, or people might have roots in Indore, and that's the reason they would have mentioned that Indore in the resume or the profile or a Git or a stack. So somewhere or the other they would have mentioned Indore. That's the reason these profiles are coming in, but it's still it's fair enough to give a chance, yeah, because they still have a roots. Okay. Similarly, we just go with repeat.
So Shiv, just to get the indoor profiles, we can use around, right?
Understand the location format, how it is, then we can use around. Indoor is in and around which keyword? We need to understand that, and within how many keywords. Did I answer your question, Shweta?
Yes. Thanks.
So we have it from script and we have it from what we say, Stack Overflow, and we have a couple of images also, which we're going to cover today. But let's come back to this first. Okay, so front-end developer, HTML, CSS, Anshul Jain. 2002, okay, 2007, the person has completed his education. Yeah, just take a chance. You have his contact details. You can always initiate that discussion. Looks like based off Indore only, not really sure. But otherwise. Where did it go? Oh. J, na?
You missed out J, yeah. It's Jhansi Wale.
Then I go to manage invitations. Yeah, he's not even on LinkedIn. If you would have been on LinkedIn, then you would see their profile pic also. We'll cover slowly about how we will go about it, but he's not even on LinkedIn. But you can see his profile on a script, at least not with this email ID. The person is on LinkedIn. But otherwise it looks fine. So this person is in Seattle. Maybe he had some roots in Indore, so maybe you can ignore this. Same might have done some projects which has a word Indore, but otherwise he's from Vietnam. Okay, Indore, Madhya Pradesh Technology Science has the roots in Indore, but yeah, worth a chance. You can connect or do a name search. So he's also not there, but I think he has mentioned his contact details somewhere below. So that's reason here it is. That's reason we could not see. Continue with the trial. If you want to continue with the trial, you can continue with the trial with one particular email ID. Once trial expires, which is there for 30 days, change the email ID, and again you'll have additional access to additional docs. Similarly, do have an option to download. Let me see if it asks me sign up with Google. I think it's asking to pay something. I would not go with that. Just take a chance in case if you want to. So that's about the script profiles. Then this is his individual profile. Worth reaching out. DAVV. Then we have a couple of Stack Overflow profiles. Who has a roots in Indore? Like everyone has that HTML, CSS, and all. But again, strong .NET one. He's from Indore. He's from Pune, but might have roots in Indore. Jodhpur Institute. Yeah. Indore, India business at least. He started from Indore. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. Front end. Pune, fresher, might have roots in Indore. Indore, tech lead. Indore. HTML5. Maybe you can also write HTML star. We'll get various versions of HTML instead of only writing HTML. HTML or HTML star, because people might write HTML4, HTML3, HTML5. Similarly goes with CSS. So we might get disconnect in another 2 to 3 minutes. So please relog in using the same details. Still the same results. Let me repeat once. Yeah, still the same. If I say HTML5.
Shiv, just for request, please, if you can just like let us know what kind of pattern we have to go with the in URL and in title, so that we should follow the same, just for the better.
Yeah, this format only.
Hand
right?
over the candidate. Yeah. Sure, please. Yeah.
This table of content. I just remove this. So this is only with the in URL CV. So similarly, we have now in URL resume, again, add this additional keywords. Now, if you see, we have added HTML5 separately. We got slightly 2 or 3 more results. Similarly, HTML4. Or people might write.
The HTML star will not work over here, Shiv?
What?
HTML star will not work over here.
Star we
You
did
put the
try
star only.
giving a similar set of result. So that's the reason I went ahead and added 5, 4. So it's giving further better results. Similarly goes with the CSS.
And what if you put HTML space star then?
It would take HTML space star. If you take star would represent any word. It won't represent a number. It could be HTML, after that CSS, it could be JavaScript, it could be anything, maybe a comma, or it could be any word. Star is just the fill in the blanks.
Okay.
Okay, maybe test star, if you write, you get test, testing, tester. Similarly, HTML star, if we are writing, we are not getting that number, HTML5, HTML4, or CSS5, CSS4. It's not taking that particular number, but it's taking that particular text. Let's say if I write.
Okay, so that means the star is applicable only on, it's not applicable on numeric, right? It's only applicable on this
Google is showing as of now.
Okay.
So
Sanjeev, one more thing.
that it is applicable for a number